Hi, this is Steve Gilda coming to you from Ignite Selling. Thanks for joining us here. Today we're going to spend just a couple of minutes with you talking about some of the common challenges that organizations are having in terms of managing their sales pipeline process. These are some of the common comments that we hear. Customers tell us they have a CRM system, they have a sales pipeline process, but they still hear things such as sales forecasting is still a struggle. Sales reps don't see any value in the system. There's no accountability. It's way too much work. It's too confusing. So if you've made the investments in this type of technology, put the effort in terms of creating your sales pipeline process, why isn't it working? Well, one of the first things we would recommend that you do is look at redefining the different stages that you have in the pipeline process into what we call critical milestones. These bullets that you see under each one of these stages is an example of a critical milestone. A critical milestone is a strategic action that, if not taken, puts the opportunity at risk. Let me repeat that. A strategic milestone is a strategic action that, if not taken, puts the opportunity at risk. Let's just take a look at one of the critical milestones in this first stage, discovery. It says, all key influencers involved in the decision have been identified. So if that's not done, could it put the opportunity at risk? Let's look at one in stage 2, disqualify stage. You've identified the decision criteria other than price. Again, a potential critical milestone that, if not taken, could somehow stall this opportunity or put the opportunity at risk. When you have critical milestones defining each stage of the process, your pipeline process becomes one of the best sales coaching job aids for your managers. Let me explain. If in fact we have a set of milestones in stage 2 clearly defined, a manager now simply has to ask the sales representative, hey, talk to me about the decision criteria that the customer is using to compare us against the competition. Or maybe a better question might be, is how does the decision criteria differ between the top 2 key influencers in this account? You'll quickly determine whether or not an opportunity is in the right stage. Because if the sales rep is telling you that it is in stage 2, that means they have met all of the milestones in stage 1. So this is simply just a quick little activity to help you ensure that your sales representatives are in the right stage. So what's really the benefit of doing it this way? Well, here are 6 common findings that we found from our research. And if you take a look at these things, these might be some critical metrics that could be most important to your business if you can get your sales process up and running. If you want to learn more about how Ignite Selling can help you build and implement a well-defined sales process for your organization, please reach out to us at sales@igniteselling.com. We'll chat with you soon.